Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a user to YouTube TV. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. First of all, you will have to come on YouTube TV. You can just follow the steps on your web browser, or you can even download the YouTube TV application. So I'm going to demonstrate the steps on my web browser. So you will have to first of all come on YouTube TV, and then you just have to simply log in into your account. Afterwards, you need to click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and click on settings. Now once you are in your settings, by default you will be on the membership page, but you need to click on the second option of family sharing. Over here you can basically sign up to share with up to 5 people. So you can share your YouTube TV with 5 family members or friends of yours. So here, instead of the sign up option, you will be able to see the setup option. So you need to click over here, and then it will redirect you on your email section, where you just have to provide the email of the person whom you want to basically add in your family sharing section, or with whom you want to basically share it. Then you just have to provide their email address, and you just have to complete the sign up process, and this way you will be able to add the user on YouTube TV. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.